Conversation between father and son for permission about picnic.
Dad, I have to request to you. Please, tell me. My classmates are going on a picnic. Where are they going on picnic? They are going on picnic to Ruizliplito. What do you want to say? I also want to go with my classmates. Who are going on picnic? Sam, Anthony, Alex, Tony, all are going on picnic. For how many days are your classmates going to Ruizliplito? Only for 2 or 3 days. When will classmates go? Tomorrow morning. Okay. You may go. Thank you so much, Dad. How much money do you want? Only 1,000. All right, take your money. Keep smartphone with you, so that connection between you and me could remain alive. Okay, Dad. Mom, it is great pleasure. Dad has allowed me to go on picnic. Please give me 3 sweets of different varieties and pack my bag.
Okay. My dear.
Joseph, please come here. Yes, Dad. But take care of yourself and call me twice a day. Don't worry, Dad. I will call you twice a day. I will take care of myself. Okay. Dad, can I take your camera with me? Please, Dad, so that I could take different photos of my friends and myself. Okay.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.